In this video, we will learn how to use Pinterest. Alright, so now we're going to learn how to get the Pinterest browser button so we can get pins from the web or anywhere we would like to pin from when we're on our computer. Let's go ahead and click on the Get the Pinterest browser button. And we're just going to click on Get Our Browser button. We're going to allow it to install. And then this comes up, so we're going to click on Install. And the Pinterest button has now been installed right here automatically. So this was how to add the Pin It button in the Firefox browser. But if you want to add a pin button to another browser, just go to this website page for Pinterest where it tells you how to install the browser button for Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, or Microsoft Edge, and follow those instructions there. This address is located in your PowerPoint that is in Unit 6 lessons and assignment. So that's how you add the Pinterest button to other browsers. So let's show you how that actually works once you get that button. Okay, now we're going to add some pins to the mobile app for education, the workplace board that you have created in your own Pinterest account, or that you will create shortly. I've already Googled mobile apps for education to try to find some apps that I can add to my Pinterest board. So let's go ahead and click on this one, the 21 best apps for teachers and educators. And we will scroll down and look at these. See which one we'd like to explore further. Well, I'm having a little trouble with my mouse here today, but just scroll on down. Alright, I like this one, Teach, Learn, Lead. Let's click on. So once you find it, for this particular page, they have a link for you to go to iTunes or Google Play to download. So let's just go to Google Play and look at that. So we're on our laptop, so we're not looking to download the app. Here, what we're wanting to do, and what you need to make sure you do on each of your pins, is go ahead and pin the logo for the actual app. It's going to be this right here. And that will be the picture that will display in your Pinterest board. And then under that, you will want to put the description that we talked about before. All of these items here: title, cost, purpose, what is being learned, age, grade level, subject, and if the app is for Android or Apple. Let's go ahead and copy that. Okay. So I've already installed my Pinterest pinning icon. So I'm just going to click on that since I'm on this page for this app. Okay, so that gives us some display of the items on that page that we can choose from to be the visual representation on our Pinterest board. So we're going to, in the case of these mobile apps you're compiling in your board, we're going to choose the logo that actually represents the app. So we're going to just click on the little pen symbol that says save. Okay, and when I do that, a little box pops up from my own Pinterest board, which I'm logged into on my computer. Okay, and it will let me now choose which board I want to save it to. So we are going to scroll down and find our mobile app for education board, and here it is right here. And like you see, as I put my cursor over each item, the little save button to the right shows up. So we're going to put it over mobile apps for education, and we're going to click on save. Okay, so that saved it to the board. Let's go to my board and refresh the page, and let's look at it and see if it is in my Pinterest board. And we'll scroll down. It's still loading a little bit, but here's our mobile apps for education board. And we will click on that. And there's our pin. Okay, so we have the logo for the Teach, Learn, and Lead company. And what we want to do now is we want to come up here and point to this little pencil, which is going to allow us to edit that pin. So what we want to do is we want to come to the description here, and we want to, I already have copied the items from the list in the PowerPoint, and I'm just going to paste that in there as a sample. But what you're going to do is you're actually going to put these items, like we'll just do a sample for the title, which is Teach, Learn, and Lead company. Okay, and let's go back and look at that, see if we see the price. Okay. I do not see a price. You may have to pull that up on your phone to see if there's a price. Well, these have a price, so I'm not sure why a price is not showing on this one. I will assume that it is free. We'll just say, for the sake of our sample, that it is free. So let's put free. Okay, and so forth for the rest of these items. You can fill those in, and then you will have added your logo and your description, which you need to do for each of the 10 pins you're going to add to that mobile app for education and the workplace Pinterest board. And we'll just click save on that. Okay, so there you have the description showing partially down here at the bottom of your page. Of your pin. Okay, so that's how you create a pin in your Pinterest board.